what if this, and this were made with AI? Today, I will show you how to create professional YouTube thumbnails with Thumbs.ai in just a few minutes. For example, the brief is making a thumbnail for a comparison video between a cheap burger versus a very expensive burger. So open your browser and type Thumbs.ai, enter. If you are a new user, you can start for free. Click here and you get some credit to create your thumbnails. And for me, I will log in. You can see here, there are 3 ways to create thumbnail in Thumbs.ai. Text to thumbnail, image to thumbnail, and you can also start from template. And here are the templates, the master icons, gaming thumbnails, branded and meme, or sport clickbait, and so many other. For the brief I just told you, go to create thumbs and then choose a template and click here to choose a template. And for that comparison, I will choose this Mr. Beast 3. And here are the prompts. This young man can be changed with your photo. And I will change the expression. Extremely shocked face. I will remove this part, the blue sky, because I will make 2 different backgrounds on the left and the right. Remove it. On the left side of the background, I will select from this to this one. I will change it to a cheap burger with a rainy weather background and a text of $1. And then I will remove this. And then on the right of the background, I will select it until here. And then I will change with the prompt of a luxury burger placed on a fine dining restaurant. And this is the prompt, a 4-layer burger, blah, 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 with a text of $1 million. Now scroll down, add your face. To add your face on the thumbnail, click create, and then upload your photo on your computer. For example, I will choose this one. Click open. You can also optimize the face, but I will skip it. You can also choose the expression or just type the prompt and then save and use this face. I forgot the name. Type the name first here. For example, just my name. Alright, scroll down and click save and use this face. Now you have it here. And then scroll down. You can choose the reference. I will show you here. For example, I will use the versus symbol and then scroll down again. You can change the aspect ratio for YouTube thumbnail or for short. And then the variation you can choose from 1 to 6. For sure, it will add the credit here. Alright, you see here. Alright, I will just make one variation. Now click generate thumbnail. Please wait while Thumbs.ai generate the thumbnails. Click here. And now you have it. You can use it for limited free credit, or if you want to upgrade, you can use my link. I put it in the description. See you next video and have fun.